So, it's Friday night. We gotta leave tomorrow morning by 9 a.m. It's getting about 10 o'clock at night. We had to remove Laura's Forester off this trailer, put the S13 on it, move all the cars around, get the clutch bled on this, and get the water, what's it called? Sorry, coolant put in it, or water. It is freaking windy as it all can be out here. I don't understand where this wind's coming from. We haven't had wind like this in ages, but I think because there's nothing built around me, so that kind of doesn't help. All the tires are here and ready to go. I'm gonna fill them up with the air. We got I think I got 10 15s, another 2 15s in the back of the truck, and then a set of 14s in the back of the truck, which is nice. I got my helmets, brake, boost cables. So, also, the truck's battery is dead. The car's battery is dead. That is fine. The Subaru on the other side over there is the only one that's alive, so all of them were dead. So I had to take the battery out of the one guy, boost everything, because I don't have a booster box yet. That's probably my next investment, because I might need one. So I gotta fill the tires up with air, so I'll get the air compressor. I'm gonna put this guy in the truck, the jack. So we're gonna take a jack, we're gonna take 2 jack stands. We're gonna take my bag of wrenches. We're gonna take my track toolkit right there. And a couple pliers, maybe another couple sets of wheels. I'm not really sure. I got a couple there and there. I don't really run on 17s. I've always ran 17s. I've never ran 15s before, so this will be a first. I'm really excited. I actually got all of these tires from a buddy. He just gave me the tires. They have decent tread left. I mean, they're not bad. And the rims I'm just borrowing, and I basically give them back. I'll pull the tires off and give them back to him. So after the event. So this car is so much fun to drive. I'm so happy with it and how it turned out. Clutch feels amazing. Transmission shifts so smooth. I have no issues with it yet. I've literally only driven it down the block down there and then did a little quick donut right there. But it's amazing. It feels so good. It's so strong. I've never actually driven a recirculating air, I guess. It has a recirculating blow-off valve. I've never ran one of those before on a SR20, so it feels amazing. This wind is terrible. It's great. So it's 10 o'clock. I gotta get the stuff loaded up, make sure I don't forget anything. Lug nuts for sure. Breaker bar, torque wrench, make sure I get all that stuff in there. I may bring my other crappy jack right here just in case, and there are 2 sets of jack stands, but I'm freaking excited. This is gonna be a really good drift event. First one of the season. I am stoked, and honestly, I cannot wait. It's gonna be so much fun. So just gonna let that truck there basically charge up a bit, make sure the alternator is good to go for tomorrow. I'm hoping it's not dead in the morning. Let's see. But yeah, if this wind were to go away, it'd be a lot easier. So tomorrow, it's a 2.5 hour drive roughly. I'm gonna leave probably around 10 o'clock. Well, maybe 8, 10 o'clock. I don't know, somewhere in there. Be ready in the morning. And then basically head out. There's an all-day car show till 5 o'clock. We'll stay in the hotel. We're gonna rent a hotel with a couple friends, make it cheap, and then head to the track the next morning. So yeah, the track will be open at 11 o'clock. So we get to sleep in a bit, which will refresh me, and then all day drifting. Hopefully I have enough battery. I've never done this before. I've never really videotaped stuff on, I've never gone to a drift event to record stuff. So enjoy the video, guys, and let me know what you think. Hopefully it turns out good. So peace.
Like I'm at 7,000. That's it. And my e-brake is I'm right here. Yeah. What is it in? No. Oh yeah, no, she's boiling, man. Can you give it to me for please? Thank you. It's boiling pretty good. She's boiling? Yeah. Yeah, I shut her off. Is it running or? It's off. Open that. Yeah. We're gonna let it sit for a second. I think I have too much coolant in the system too. Man. Okay, give her. Pull her off. Yeah! Holy shit! That's so ghetto. That's called cooling. It's basically an LS. You're asking for an egg. It's over here. Yeah.
There's that pink one.
Yeah, there's one on the seat.
The car still. So wait, you just let it cool down.
How long did that take?
What do you mean?
This is one jinx fucked up SR, man.
Jinxed.
It was good until he owned it.
Kyle.
I know, my people.
Can I take this one? Whose is it? I don't know. One plug.